Good morning students, welcome to Priya Math channel. Today we are going to discuss some more important for the public examination. Look into the board. First one, the fourth term of a geometric progression is 2 by 3 and the seventh term is 16 by 81. Find the GP. So already he gave fourth term and seventh term. You will find the series, geometric progression. This is the 4 marks questions for important for the public examination. Look into the board. First you have to write the formula AN. AN is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. Which is some, he gave fourth term. Which term? Fourth term. So A4 is equal A into R to the power of 4 minus 1. That is equal to AR cube. That is equal to how much? 2 by 3. Say 2 by 3. This is called equation number 1. And again 7th term is 16 by 81. And again 7th term 7 is equal to A into R to the power of 7 minus 1. That is equal to A into R to the power of 7 minus 1. 6 is equal to 16 by 81. Say this is equation number 2. Then you have to divide with equation 2 with 1. Equation 2 ni equation 1 by divide chaldam. So equation 2 by equation 1. What is the left side value of in equation 2? A into R power 6 by, in the left side A into R to the power of 3. That is equal to 16 by 81 by 2 by 3, that is equal to, so 16 by 81 into 3 by 2. 2 will be cancelled 8 times and 3 will be cancelled 27. That is equal to 8 by 27. So here A and A cancel. A power m by A power n. We have to use this formula. A to the power m minus n. So here R power 6 minus 3, that is R to the power of 6 minus 3 equal to 8 by 27. R, which implies R cube is equal to 2 by 3 whole cube. So powers are equal on both sides, bases are equal. R is equal to 2 by 3. R means the ratio of the geometric progression. R is equal to 2 by 3. Then you have to take the first equation. A into R cube is equal to 2 by 3. 1 minute. AR cube is equal to 2 by 3. A into R means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to 2 by 3. So A is equal to A into 8 by 27 is equal to 2 by 3. A is equal to 2 by 3 into 27 by 8. 2 will be cancelled 4 times. 3 will be cancelled 9 times. That is equal to 9 by 4. A is equal to 9 by 4. And the geometric series A comma general form AR comma AR square comma so on. A means how much? 9 by 4 comma 9 by 4 into R means R how much? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 comma AR square. A ante 9 by 4. R square ante 4 by 9. So this is equal to cancellation. 3 will be cancelled 3 times. 2 will cancel 2 times. 9 by 4 comma 3 by 2 comma 4 cancel, 9 can cancel 1. This is the geometric progression. Okay students, look here, second problem. If the geometric progressions 162 comma 54 comma 18 and 2 by 81 comma 2 by 27 comma 2 by 9 so on have their nth terms are equal, find the value of n. So they gave two geometric progressions. అక్కడ ఎన్ని ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు? 2 progressions. their nth terms are equal, you want to find the n value మనం find out చేయాలి. So first terms, first GP 162 comma 54 comma 18 comma so on. So here A is equal to 162 and R is equal to A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2. Condition satisfied చేస్తుందో లేదో చూద్దాం. A2 means 54 by 162 is equal to 18 by 54. 54 cancel 3 times, here also 18 is cancelled 3 times, that is equal to 1 by 3. R is equal to 1 by 3. So now you write the AN. AN is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. AN is equal to, what is the A here? 162. R means 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. Say this is the first equation, first series. And second series, what he gives second one? We had observed here 2 by 81 comma 2 by 27 comma 2 by 9 comma so on. Here A is equal to 2 by 81. Next R is equal to A2 by A1. A2 means how much? 2 by 27. By A1 means 2 by 81. So that is equal to 2 by 27 into 81 by 2. 2 to cancel. This is cancelling 3 times, I think. 3 times. So R is equal to how much? 3. Then AN is equal to formula A into R to the power of n minus 1. A means how much here? 2 by 81. R means how much? 3. 3 to the power n minus 1. Okay. So say this equation number 2. From 1 and 2. First equation is equal to 162 into 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. That is equal to second equation. 2 by 81 into 1 by 3 whole to the power, how much? Here, n minus 1. So, take the constant values to that side. 162 into 81 by 2, that is equal to, look here sir, 2 by 81 into 3 to the power of n minus 1, this second equation. 2 by 81 into 3 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so this is the, erase this one. So here 162, take right side 2 by 81, it becomes 81 by 2. So here 3 to the power n minus 1 by 1 by 3 whole to the power n minus 1. This is the fraction. 2 will be cancelled 81 times. 81 you have to write 3 power 4 into this 81 also write 3 power 4. That is equal to 3 to the power n minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 whole to the power 3 to the power of minus 1 whole to the power 1 minute. Here 1 by 3 power minus n plus 1 you have to write like this. This is 3 power n minus 1 plus n minus 1. Minus 1 cancel. Sorry, 1 minute. Minus, so student 3 to the power n minus 1 by, you take the numerator to denominator, it becomes minus 1 to the power n minus 1. Again, next step 3 power n minus 1 by 3 to the power, it becomes minus n plus 1. Okay, here 3 power 4 plus 4, 8. This becomes 3 to the power of n minus 1. Take the numerator to plus n minus 1. So here 3 power 8 is equal to 3 to the power of n plus n, 2n. 2n minus 2. So bases are equal here. Then I am writing here. So 3 bases are equal, powers will be equal. So 3 power 8 and 8 is equal to 2n minus 2. Then take left side becomes plus. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 2n. 2n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 by 2. 2 will be cancelled 5 times. So n is equal to 5. So common, the nth term are equal to fifth term are equal to. Okay students, these are the important problem for 4 marks or 8 marks. Oh, here the most important problems, page number 145, example 15 is the important public exam, 146 10th problem, 147 12th problem, 156 lo 5, 6, 7 already I thought in the board on the board. This is the very important problems. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్లో ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని నేను డిస్కస్ చేశాను. ఇంకా పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ మోడల్లో పేపర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. ఇవి దిస్ చాప్టర్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్. టుమారో వీడియో ఐ విల్ డిస్కస్ ద 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్. ఓకే, మీరు దీన్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుంటే 10th క్లాస్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ వీడియోస్ అన్నీ మీకు వస్తాయి. దయచేసి అందరినీ కూడా వీడియో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయమని చెప్పండి. ప్రతి ప్రాబ్లమ్ని పరిశీలనగా చూసి నోట్ చేసుకుని లైక్ చేయండి. గుడ్ లక్.